I made over $500,000 using Klaviyo, and in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process to automate your Shopify store with proven strategies that actually work. Now, let's start with the basics. What is Klaviyo? Klaviyo is an email marketing platform designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. It allows you to create targeted email campaigns based on customer behavior. This means you can send personalized messages to your customers, making them more likely to buy from you. Sounds great, right? But how do you get started? Next, we'll dive into setting up your first email automation flow. Now, you don't want to miss this. Setting up email flows in Klaviyo is fairly simple. Here's how you can do it in just a few easy steps. Step 1, sign up for Klaviyo. First, create an account at klaviyo.com. It's free to start. Step 2, connect your Shopify store. Go to the integrations tab and connect your Shopify store. This will allow Klaviyo to access your customer data. Step 3, create a new flow. Click on flows in the sidebar, then create flow. Step 4, choose a template. Klaviyo offers templates for various types of emails. Choose one that fits your needs. Step 5, customize your flow. Drag and drop different actions like sending emails, waiting for a specific time, or adding conditions. Step 6, set triggers. Decide when the flow should start. For example, you might want it to trigger when someone signs up for your newsletter. Step 7, test your flow. Before going live, send test emails to yourself to ensure everything looks good. And lastly, once you're happy, activate your flow and watch it work magic. Now that you have your first flow set up, let's explore the types of email flows that can benefit your Shopify store. There are several types of email flows that can help grow your Shopify store. Here are some of the most effective. Welcome series. Send a warm welcome email to new subscribers, introducing your brand and offering a discount code. Abandoned cart emails. Remind customers about items they left in their cart. This can bring them back to complete their purchase. Post-purchase follow-up. Thank customers for their order and suggest related products. Re-engagement campaigns. Target customers who haven't purchased in a while and offer them a special incentive to come back. And lastly, birthday and anniversary emails. Send personalized offers on special occasions to make customers feel valued. Now, after learning all these flows, you might wonder, how often should I send these emails to my customers? Now, let's clear that up. Timing is everything when it comes to email marketing. Here's a simple guideline. Weekly or bi-weekly. Sending emails once or twice a week is a good balance. It keeps your brand on the top of their mind without overwhelming your subscribers. Special promotions. If you have a sale or a special event, don't hesitate to send out additional emails, but just make sure that they're spaced out. Now that you know how often you should send out your emails, let's talk about the benefits of email marketing. Email marketing has many benefits to help your Shopify store thrive. Number 1, direct communication. Emails go straight to your customer's inbox, making a direct line of communication. Secondly, it's cost effective. Compared to other marketing channels, email marketing is relatively inexpensive. Third reason, higher ROI, which is return on investment. Business make an average of $42 for every $1 spent on email marketing. And lastly, customer retention. Regular emails keeps your brand in customer minds, encouraging repeat customers. And trust me, y'all, it's cheaper to retain a customer than to get a new customer. Now let's talk about the potential earnings you can make using email marketing. Email marketing can significantly boost your revenue. Just check out my screenshot. On average, a business will see a 20% increase in sales from email campaigns alone. For a Shopify store earning $10,000 a month, that can mean an additional $2,000 in sales. Imagine what you can do with that extra income. In conclusion, using Klaviyo for email marketing is a smart move for any Shopify store. By setting up automation email flows, sending regular updates, and understanding the benefits, you can connect with your customers and drive sales like never before. Now check it out, y'all. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips for growing your Shopify store. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your email marketing strategy with Klaviyo. Start today and watch your business grow.